Nectar ho!
We're too late. These flowers have had it. Keep looking. Oh, nuts. Not a drop of nectar left here either.
How do bees do this anyway? You'd think making the honey was the hard part, but finding the nectar to make it with is even harder.
Come on, let's look somewhere else. There aren't any flowers anywhere. We need more time.
Unfortunately, Jack Frost waits for no one.
Wait, I smell something.
Flowers! Fresh flowers!
Ah, you bet you're beefy. Goldenrod, if I'm not mistaken.
This way! Nectar City! Start gathering!
I sure hope the others find this field.
This nectar's great, but we'll never be able to carry it back all on our own.
We need help.
There's no time to lose. Miss Frizzle, we've got to tell the others where the nectar is.
I think that could be arranged. That lizard's got a bee in her bonnet.
Did you find any nectar?
Not one drop.
Same here. Huh? Is it just me? Or is Liz trying to tell us something? I think she's found nectar.
Over there.
Whew. I'm full, and there's still tons of nectar left.
Not for long. Help is on the way.
Take up our nectar, guys, and head back to the hive. See you soon.
Oh, come on, Liz. We don't want to fall behind. All set, everyone? Here we go! I do believe it's an Ursus americanus.
A bear?
Step on it, Liz.
Yay, Liz!
Come on, the hive's not far now. This way.
Come on, Bud. You can do it.
Yay! We made it! Are you all right, Liz? Hey, what happened to all our nectar? You mean all that work and we only filled a few honeycomb cells?
This honey-making business is harder than it looks.
We've got to keep going back and forth until we've got enough. Come on! Guys!
Get out of here!
He's wrecking the place!
Oh, bad. Oh, bad. Oh, bad, bad, bad.
The bees scared him away!
They made him run.
Man, what a disaster! All the honey is gone!
The bees won't have enough food to last through the winter.
They'll starve, and it's all our fault. It was because of us that the bear found the hive.
Wait. We can help them. We know where there's lots of delicious nectar. Remember?
Yeah, but how do we tell them?
Beauty of a question, Tim. How would you communicate with a bee? Sing it a song? Press a buzzer? Drop it a beeline?
Well, I'm not sure, since they don't understand words. Maybe we could use some kind of sign language.
Let's take chances, make mistakes, get busy.
Hey guys, I've got something for you. Delicious nectar. Yum yum. This way.
You don't get it, Tim.
Come on, bees. Listen up. This is vital information. Flowers. Lots of them. Nectar. Big meadow. Far away. Oh, how am I ever going to make them understand?
Wait, Tim. You've got their attention.
It's like they're waiting for you to do something.
Yeah, but what?
Too bad I don't have a book on bee communication.
But I do. Toss me my Busby Bubbles Bee Dances for Beginners, Liz.
Dances? You mean bees communicate by dancing?
You better believe it.
I hope this works. Let's see. To tell the bees they have to fly a long way, I have to. And to tell them which way to fly, it looks like I'm supposed to.
It's working! The bees are catching on!
They're really bebopping.
Carlos!
It's the bee's knees, all right.
Let me try, Tim.
I think they've got it.
Why, Bus, I had no idea you were so graceful. Do you dip?
Do you think they understand? Let's hope so. If they don't find the flowers before the frost, they're gonna be goners.
They're going! They got the message!
Oh, I hope we gave them the right directions.
There's only one way to find out for sure. It worked! We danced the directions to the bees, and they got it!
They got it all right. Look at them go.
Yeah, but will they be able to get enough nectar? We sure didn't. There were only 10 of us, Arnold. There's thousands of bees working out here.
You can't beat it, Arn. All it takes to bring in the harvest's nectar just in time is a little bee dance and a lot of bees.
And a lot of bees means a lot of nectar, which means a lot of honey. We did it!
We helped save the hive.
Yay!
Come on, let's help them draw out the nectar.
Go, 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 guys! Beat those wings!
I'll tell you this. For someone who was afraid of bees, I've sure become a fan.
Arnold!
Well, it looks like the bees are going to be able to make enough honey to last for the winter.
Well, what about the honey to finish up your grandpa's deliveries?
Well, I don't know. Even if we could collect enough nectar, how could we possibly turn it into honey and get it home in time?
1 hive, 2 hives, beehive. Any questions, class?
All right, find those flowers. And what do we have?
Honey, honey, and more honey! Yahoo!
Here's your last honey home delivery of the season, Mr. Drone.
Oh, my. Oh, my, oh, my. Tim, your grandfather's honey is always tops, but this year's batch is the best yet. Give my regards to the bees.
I will. See you next spring. He liked it. He really liked it.
Honey of a job, Tim. And as I always say, nothing like honey to take the sting out of winter.
Is this the magic school bus? Is this the magic school bus? Magic school bus? Magic school bus? What do you mean? Magic school bus? Magic school bus?
Magic school bus?
Magic school bus? I want the magic school bus! I want the magic school bus!
Thanks, Liz. Magic School Bus, producer speaking. What's the buzz?
I just saw your show on bees, and what I want to know is, could honeybees really gather enough nectar in one day to make enough honey to get them through the whole winter?
We stretch the truth here, but given enough nectar-rich flowers, a strong hive can make enough honey for the winter in a week or two.
And what do beekeepers like Tim's grandpa do? I thought honey came from the wild.
Actually, almost all of the honey we buy in the store comes from bee farms, and beekeepers are the people who harvest the honey. Man-made hives are much bigger and have a lot more bees than wild hives, so they make and store a lot more honey than wild bees do. And as long as the hive makes more honey than it needs, the beekeeper can sell the extra honey without hurting the hive.
I don't feel so bad then, because I love a little honey on my toast for breakfast.
Just so you know, it would take one bee about 100 trips from the flowers to the hive to make enough honey for just one piece of toast.
That's amazing.
But with 10,000 bees working together, it goes pretty fast.
That makes sense. But I have to admit, I found that dancing stuff pretty unbelievable. Do bees really dance to tell each other where to find nectar?
Unbelievable, but true. Actually, bees communicate even more information than we showed, and we still don't know everything they can tell each other with their dances.
Just one more thing. I've never heard so many bad bee jokes before.
Thank you very much.
Want to hear another?
Sure. Why not?
What do you get when you cross a seagull with a bee?
What?
A beagle.
Hey, thanks for calling the Magic School Bus.
Surfing on a sound wave, swinging through the stars. Take a left at human Justin, take your second right at Mars on the Magic School Bus. Alligator nostril, climb on the Magic School Bus. Make a plankton too.
Take that.
And on the Magic School Bus, drop the river of lava on the Magic School Bus. Such a fine thing to do. So drop your bones out to the sea. Come on in and don't be shy, just to make your day complete. You might get baked into a pie on the Magic School Bus. Step inside, it's a wilder ride. Come on, ride on the Magic School Bus.